Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial I want to share with you how to knit this beautiful stitch that I'm going to use for baby head, for newborn head. Please check my YouTube channel. The number of stitches for this swatch have to be divisible by 4 plus 3 extra stitches and plus 2 selvage stitches. So cast on any number, and we are going to start the pattern starts, the first row is on the wrong side. So when you are knitting heads, pay attention. Slip the first stitch and now purl 3, knit 1 and repeat these 4 stitches. Purl 3, knit 1 and repeat. Purl 3, knit 1. At the end, you remember about 3 extra stitches, purl 3 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch, purl 1, I'm sorry I did a mistake here, purl 1, not knit 1. Now skip the next stitch and insert the needle between the first and second stitch and draw up a loop. Then make a yarn over and knit the next stitch. So you made 3 stitches from 1, 3 from 1, and purl 2, 1, 2, and let's repeat. Purl 1, now skip the next stitch and insert the needle between the first and second stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, knit 1 and purl 2. And let's repeat again. Purl 1, draw up a loop, yarn over, knit 1 and purl 2. 1, 2. Purl 1 and purl 2. One more here. Purl 1, draw up a loop, yarn over, knit 1, purl 2. And when we have 3 extra stitches, make purl 1, draw up a loop, yarn over, knit 1 and only purl 1 here at the end, and of course purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 3, knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3 and knit 2, and that's what we have to repeat. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 2, knit 1, purl 3. You see, we purl the loop, we purl all that 3 stitches that we made from 1 and knit 2 now. Again, knit 1, purl 3, knit 2, knit 1, purl 3, knit 2. At the end, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn row number 4, the last row, slip the first stitch, and now knit 2 together. Now knit 1 and slip, knit, pass over. That's what we have. So exactly you need to make a right leaning decrease and left leaning decrease and purl 1. So we return to the initial 4 stitches and repeat again. Knit 2 together. Here we need to make a right leaning decrease. You see the stitch leans to the right. Now knit 1 and now left leaning decrease. Slip, knit, pass over and purl 1 and repeat. Knit 2 together, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over and purl 1 and repeat. And purl 1. Knit 2 together, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over and purl 1. At the end, knit 2 together, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over, and the last selvage stitch. That's it, guys. And when you turn on the wrong side, you start again with purl 3, knit 1, slip the first stitch, and then purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, and so on. Repeat 4 rows. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Check the written instruction on my blog, and see you.